I would like to say about the Corporate Social Responsibility Fund utilization, sir. CSR said increase reputation of the company's brand among its customers and society. The Companies Act 2013 has formulated sanction to 135 companies' corporate social responsibility rules 2014. The Schedule 7, which prescribes the mandatory provisions for the companies to fulfill their CSR activities 2% out of their 3 years average profits, sir. The four types of corporate social responsibility to environment, conservation, diversity, and the labor practices, sir. The same is implemented in the small business, get involved with the local communities. One way to demonstrate our commitment to the corporate social responsibility is to get involved with our community, volunteers, go green, alternative transport methods, support the development of the execute the decision taken by the companies to implement the CSR, sir. In many cases, the companies are failed to implement the CSR funds as there is no proper way to inspect the same from the government controlling authorities. Companies have practiced to avoid the CSR funds by not showing profits, sir. Or many of they will implement within their company premises whatsoever, sir. Due to this, there is no significant development in the area in which the companies is located. They have look after the environment and infrastructure, education, and providing basic facilities in the local areas, sir. But they are not doing this, and they simply sponsor sports events or the sponsor events and publish the same in their annual report. This has to be completely stopped. You should set up the guidelines to be implemented as such to the people's depends on company locally and environment to provide the basic facilities. A proper checking mechanism has to be set up under the chairmanship of the Honorable Parliament members representing Lok Sabha. Honorable MPs can review the CSR implementations along with the MPLAT. This will help the local people and the local government to coverage the additional funds available with the CSR. The CSR funds are accountability can be the assessed locally, sir. The CSR funds must be utilized locally so far as to the local people get benefit out of the everything. Like this, many new modifications of the rules has to be implemented, and the companies should accountable to the district